Today we will start the bowling unit. There will be 2 people at each mat. One here by the foul line and the balls, and one there by the pins. This student is designated to only touch the pins all day. This student is the only one allowed to touch the pins with his hands. This student may help move pins away by using his feet. Each student will have their own ball, and each student will only touch one ball for the day. It will be sanitized after. This student will start on the dots and start to bowl. He's going to start walking up to the foul line and stepping with his opposite foot and bowling. Each student gets 2 tries. So the other student will roll the ball back with his feet, since they're not allowed to touch it, and will move away the pins with their feet. Right now, this student has a score of 9 because there's a total of 10 pins and there's 1 pin left. This student will now bowl for his second time, starting on the white dot, on the dots, wherever he wants, and starting to bowl, stepping with his opposite foot. This student's score is now 9. This student down here will start putting up the pins as fast as he can because he's the one that's allowed to do that. This student will go retrieve his ball and bring it back, and they will switch places when they're done. They will do this as quickly as they can so they can maximize their fun for the day. Now the other student will grab the other ball, and he will hold the ball like Spider-Man, like so. Show him Spider-Man, great, just like that. There's 2, his middle finger and his ring finger are in the holes, his thumb's on the bottom hole, and his pointer finger and his pinky are out just like Spider-Man. This student down here will not be touching the pins with his hands. He will only be moving them away with his feet. And this student will start to bowl now. He will start on the dots, and he will walk up, step with his opposite foot, making sure not to touch the foul line. This student's score is now 8. This student will roll the ball back, great. He can pick it up with his hands, and this student will move the pins away in front of the pins so the other student can bowl his second time. Each student gets 2 tries to bowl and count their score. Ready, begin. We will start on the white dots, step, and bowl. This student made a spare. His score is 10. He will roll the ball back, and they will now switch places as quickly as possible. And the student that's allowed to touch the pins will upstack the pins for me. Great job. Set up the pins. The other student will come and grab his bowling ball, ready to bowl. This student won with the score of 10. This student's score was 8. So this student won 1 game, and now he will stack the pins since he is the only one allowed to touch the pins. This student is getting ready, and this student, will you show us how to hold the ball, please? Turn it over for us so you can see your hands. Good. All the fingers are in the slit, and the thumb, the only finger in the hole is the thumb. Great job. Now he will start bowling again, and we will have a great day. Really quick, here's the vocabulary. These are the pins. This whole yellow space is called the lane. This black line here is called the foul line. And if you roll the ball outside the mat, outside the lane, that's called the gutter ball. You want to try to keep the ball in the lane. Great job. Have a great day, Tigers.